just take real estate advisors,
Mhm.
right? Real estate investors. There's a lot of benefits, a lot of tax advantages that they have, but it's almost like too much of a good thing. It can hurt you sometimes. When you think of a lot of investors that they may be struggling to go get financing in a
Right.
tighter market, their tax returns make them look like they're broke.
Their real estate income is sheltered through depreciation expense.
Sometimes people, they may not be, they either are too aggressive with deductions and write-offs, or in some cases, they're just not reporting their income, which is never an advisable thing.
That's not a good thing.
It's not a good thing. And I think what we saw during the pandemic with the PPP loans, there were so many people who could have qualified had they been honest and upfront on their tax returns, not reporting the income, or just being, again, too aggressive with the write-offs and deductions, where your bottom line is so tiny that you only qualify for so much. So it's a thing of, what do I want to say with my tax return? And a lot of times that comes with thinking a few years into the future. So a real estate investor, if they are starting off and they know that they want to finance, they want to leverage other resources in order to grow their portfolio, they want to look attractive to an investor, right? If you are a real estate professional and all you have is your real estate portfolio and the work you're performing for it, a prospective funder is going to want to look at your tax return. That's going to tell the story of who you are financially. They're going to look at how much money you made, how much money is left over, because what's left over is essentially what you're living off of. And if that looks like you really have no money, you're struggling, but they may not see you as a good candidate.
A good lending risk. Yeah.
You're a risk to them.
Yeah.
So if you know that this is what's going to the horizons of the next 2 to 3 years, then it's a good time to talk about maybe setting up your expenses. Maybe that's something you defer, right? If you were going to look to invest into something big, that may be a good idea to defer that so that your income, your net income looks good. Always report your income. Always report your income, even if it's something that the IRS will never, ever find. You just want to paint that story. You want to show that.